Today we're looking at how to set up your dual card slots in your Sony A7 III. We're going to look at the features and the settings to find out which ones are best for you, and we're going to do this all in about 3 minutes. Let's go! So we're going to jump into our menu by pressing the menu button here. We're going to find the Setup tab, page 6 of 7. Also, if you're new here and you like this video, consider hitting that like and subscribe button. So jump into the first option, which is Recording Media Settings. And here you'll see all of your options. The first being which slot you want to make the changes to. As you can see here, I have slot 1 dedicated to pictures and 2 to video. But it's going to be different depending on your needs and what you're doing. Luckily, there's quite a few options for you depending on the situation you're in. Here in recording mode, you're going to be able to see all your options. Standard is your factory setting, and that means it's only going to record stills and videos to slot 1. You'll have an option to record simultaneously both pictures, videos, and both. And that sort of redundancy is great for paid jobs or a wedding or something that when you really can't afford to lose your work from a failed memory card. You can also have your camera store JPEG files on one card and RAWs on the other, and vice versa. And again, just for casual shooting as I have it set up here, sort is just videos on one, stills on the other. And don't forget about auto switch media, which means basically when you run out of space on one card, it's going to continue on to the next card. And this is a great option, especially when you're shooting stills, and I guess video as well, as the camera doesn't make a sound to let you know the memory card's full. And that's going to be pretty much it for your recording settings on your dual card setup on your A7 III. Really simple and straightforward, and pretty much everything that you need. I hope this helped, guys. I hope you liked this video. If it did help you out, if you liked it, consider hitting that like and subscribe button, and drop your questions and comments down below. And like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.